Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub Copilot. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to get your GitHub Copilot. So you can simply type GitHub Copilot into your search engine and then go to the Copilot and click on Get Started for free. You click on it and it will take you to another page, and from here you can start already asking Copilot, or you can simply install Copilot in your favorite code editor. That means you can add Copilot into your NeoVim, JetBrains, Xcode, whatever was the IDE that you are using. Now I'm just going to click on Visual Studio Code and click on install. It will open Visual Studio Code and it will add GitHub Copilot for you. So now after that you got GitHub Copilot installed, you will be able to start using it. And basically you will be first searching for the GitHub Copilot. And basically here we can simply find the icon of GitHub Copilot. So as you can see, it is like that. And now you can start have the setting for completion. You can go for the chat, and basically it's already tracking the current file. And I would say, for example, optimize my code or whatever, and it will start generating and optimizing my code. And here it will just say something. You can, as you can see, it will add things to my code, and then you can, when it finishes generating, you can simply either regenerate or, for example, apply to minpy. So it will apply these changes to my file, and basically it will add some optimizations, etc. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.